Today I want to talk to you about the things that I've been doing to grow my hair for not now but for years. So the first thing I learned was about how rosemary can make your hair grow but also darken your hair. And when I was a kid, I had a lot of hair and my mom never let me cut it. I don't know, maybe it was just part of our culture. So I never cut my hair growing up until I was 17 years old. I remember, and then I completely cut it. Like, I think shorter than what it is now. But so what my mom used to do, boil some water and then add fresh leaves of rosemary. Then let it boil and simmer for some time until the water is lukewarm or warm. And then I would wash my hair only with that water. I used to do that as often as possible. So there was a point of my life that my hair was falling off. And I think it was like a hormonal imbalance or something like that. So I tried many pills, but the one that I really liked and it made a huge difference was this one. I got this one from Amazon. I'm no longer taking these pills mainly because they are super expensive, or they are expensive for me. It was $40 and you're supposed to take 2 capsules every day and it only comes 60, so it was like $40 each month. But I did notice that my hair was growing faster, so and my hair did stop falling and it was growing faster, but not just the hair on my head, but also my eyebrows, my facial hair was growing faster. So I think it does work. Okay, and other thing that I do to make my hair super shiny, it's apple cider vinegar. I have used apple cider vinegar for about, 5 years. It does take away the dyes from your hair. So apple cider vinegar is really good. But if your hair is colored, then don't use it. Also, I noticed that apple cider vinegar helped me to maintain my hair cleaner for longer. For example, I don't know if it was a shampoo that I was using at the time or what was it. So I would shower, let's say on Monday, and then on Tuesday, the very next day, my hair would be super itchy and greasy, and I didn't like it. So I noticed that apple cider vinegar it helped me with the greasiness, and my hair, I could just go on for like 2 more days without washing. My scalp will feel clean. So I got this recipe from a lady that had a super long hair. She said that her secret was to, first she uses shampoo and then she mixed the apple cider vinegar with her conditioner, and then she will leave it on for some time and then rinse. So she said that was her secret, and I honestly believed her. It does help. It does help with, it makes your hair shiny, cleaner, and your hair stop falling. I don't know about growing, but your hair will stop falling, that's for sure. The third thing that I wanna tell you, and it's something that I'm currently doing, it's to use some oils in my hair. Fenugreek oil. But a friend of mine she lives in Paris and she's from Africa. She posted in her Instagram account like this oil is good for growing your hair, and then when I look it in Amazon for this oil, like the results were fenugreek oil for growth. That was like the suggested search, And yeah, super excited to try this one. This is jojoba oil or jojoba oil. And this is like for your face, for your body, for your hair, and also for your nails. I was watching so many YouTube videos about how to grow your nails, and they say jojoba oil is one of the best oils to apply to your cuticles and to your nails. Okay, so I got this ginger oil a very long time ago when my hair was longer, but I never finished using it. I think I have like maybe a little bit less than half. It's here, and what I'm going to do is just add the fenugreek oil and the jojoba oil into this until it's completely full, and then I'm gonna mix it and apply to my hair. And I'm gonna shake it. I'm gonna use gloves to apply my oil, and I'm gonna shake it again. Okay, and I'm gonna leave it for, what time is it? It is 1:13. So I'm just gonna leave it for 1 hour because I have to do other things after. So until 2:13. So the other day I ordered oils from Amazon, and I'm trying those oils, and my plan now is to use the oils once a week. I'm trying to wash my hair every other day. I used to wash my hair every day, but now I'm washing my hair every other day. And of course I'm using apple cider vinegar. And the only thing I'm taking, like, I'm totally against pills now, and the only pill that I'm taking is this vitamin. It's just a multivitamin, and I think I have one left. So it's just one. It has a tons of vitamins, and I try to take it when I remember my meals, and it's just, you know, one thing and that's it. And other thing that I'm taking is collagen, and this helps with just not your hair but also your nails and like joint support and other things. I put 1 or 2 scoops in my coffee but the thing is, when I drink this, I have to put like sugar and milk into my coffee to make it tastier. I don't put sugar and milk in my coffee every day, but when I do, I use this. But lately I've been just drinking black coffee, so maybe two times or 3 times a week. It does help. I don't know if with my hair, but I notice with my nails, make my nails stronger. If you have something that really works, tell me, because I want to have my hair longer again. I've been feeling a little bit not insecure. Yeah, maybe a little insecure with my short hair. I don't know, I think like this hairstyle is like for someone that I'm not. I honestly want my hair to grow, but not to the extreme to take pills. At least not for now. Well, I think it's because also my hair is not falling. I think if my hair was falling, then I would probably take this, because this thing really stops from your hair from falling. My hair is not falling right now, so I'm not going to take any pills. I mean, besides my multivitamins. And yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you have any tip that works, please let me know, because I want my hair to grow. Bye guys, see you later.